Hello everybody, Photojunky here from Photojunky's Drone Zone. In this video, I am reviewing the Aabeloy 4K video camera. Now this camera I got off of Amazon, was relatively inexpensive, but it does come with an external mic that you can remove. And don't forget to plug it in down here and turn it on like I did. Turn it on the top. Comes with this removable grip, which I really like. Comes with a lens hood and a remote control, an extra battery, and a couple of USB cords. For the price, the quality is very good. It has digital zoom, which is pretty rare for a video cam in this price range. So instead of taking my word for it, let's take a look at the video. And thank you for watching. All right, this is where your memory card is on the bottom. And just stick your fingernail in there like every other memory card and pull it out. How do you turn it on? Simply open it up and it turns on. And I'm not going to go through all the settings, but this is how you get to your menu, and you can go up and down with these two buttons here. And when you find the setting you like, press OK. Press that button down, and that's that. That's as simple as it is. Can't get much simpler.
Isabel, you hot? You hot?